Mohbad's father scores legal victory as court orders DNA test on late singer's son. Hello guys, welcome back to my space. Thank you so much for always tuning in. My people, they say Wahala refused to finish too. We all know what has been going on ever since Mohbad died, even up till now. What causes Mohbad died up till now? Nobody can ever come out to say, yes, this is exactly what died Mohbad. Though the court has ordered Mohbad's father to go and bury his son, but Mohbad's father said no, that he must get to the root of what actually killed his son. Though he promised he will never bury his son unless he gets to the root of what actually killed his son, he still also said that according to all what happened during when Mohbad died and before he died, he said this is Pekin. They call Liam. He said he never believed if it's Mohbad that fathered that Pekin. So he now asked that Wumi, which is Mohbad's wife, should go and do DNA for this Pekin. But Wumi refused up to today. And this case has been in court ever since Mohbad died. Wumi said she will never, although I will take all the details, I just say, let me just drop my one or two. Wumi said she will never do DNA because, do DNA test because Mohbad's father do not have the right to ask her to go and do DNA test. So now, they said court has ordered Wumi to go and conduct DNA test for Mohbad. And this is not going to be funny for Wumi. In short, let me take the details before I drop my one or two. Mohbad's father scores legal victory as court orders DNA test on late singer's son, Liam. A magistrate court in Ikorodu, Lagos State, on Tuesday, September 1st, ordered a DNA test to be carried out on Liam Aloba, the son of late singer Ireoluwa Olamideji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad. The presiding magistrate, Dėęp Sh0ck, issued the order following an application filed by singer's father, Joseph Aloba, who requested a paternity test to conclusively determine his grandson's paternity. You hear? They said on the 1st of September this month, I think that was the day before yesterday, court finally grants Mohbad's father's request because immediately Mohbad died. Because of all that happened during when Mohbad was still alive, his wife, all Mohbad's video, you know, the guy talked a lot, he recorded a lot, voice note videos and everything. Mohbad dad said he wants to know the true paternity of Liam. So the case has been in court, like I said before, and Mohbad's wife refused before taking the case to court that Mohbad's wife should go and conduct DNA test for Liam. Mohbad's father told Wumi, which is Mohbad's wife, that he wants a DNA test to be carried on Liam. Wumi said never, she will never ever do it. But now, according to the news, they said Mohbad's father won the case in court. So court now ordered Wumi to release Liam for this paternity test, meaning Mohbad's father won the case. So let me still move forward. The order also authorizes the chief medical officer of pathologists at the military hospital in Yaba, Lagos, where Mohbad's remains are kept, to extract tissue, hair, or other necessary sample for the test. They said, my people, they said they're going to collect Mohbad's hair. You know, they never bury him. Say they will go to collect his hair or any tissue or whatever from my body. Say it's what they will use for the test. Let me still move forward. The singer's father, through his counsel, Augustine Adebemi, argued that clarity on paternity is essential given its implications for the child welfare and the mother's maintenance obligation. Mohbad's widow, Omowumi Cynthia Aloba, represented by her lawyer, Kabir Akingbolu, didn't oppose the application, leading the court to grant the order as request. So they said Wumi's lawyer, though Wumi was not in court that day, say Wumi's lawyer, when they brought the matter for the final verdict, say Wumi's lawyer did not even argue because he know that it's the right thing to do. Because Mohbad's father really want to know if he's spending money taking care of the boy or whatever. He want to know if really is his son that fathered the boy. So I don't think there's anything wrong in it. All right, let me still move forward to say, meanwhile, the court gives the following directives that 2 DNA tests will be conducted in an accredited and recognized hospital, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Both parties or their representatives should be present when the sample is taken. However, the proceedings were subsequently adjourned to November 11. Guys, they've already ordered that. Court already tell Wumi to do DNA. So Wumi, there's no hiding place for you. Just pray, say that Lian, now Mohbad Pikino. And I just really pray that after the DNA, they should announce the result online, because with the online in-laws, we want to really know whether that Pikin belong to Mohbad or not. In short, let me still move forward. Both parties or their relatives should be present when the sample is taken. However, the proceedings were subsequently adjourned to November 11, 2025. Recall that following the singer spy in 2023, many have been clamoring for a DNA test to be done on Liam, his son, to ascertain his paternity. Even Mohbad's father has called for DNA test to be done on his son. Last year, a chief magistrate court sitting in Ikorodu granted the order that Wumi needed to be served on notice of the pending DNA test application. The legal team told the court that the sheriff of the court has attempted twice to serve Wumi the court process, but failed. And the chief magistrate then ordered that Wumi should be served by posting the court process on her last known address. You see, they said they took the letter to Wumi twice. He said they were unable to get her twice. So the magistrate now said they should send it through poster. Because according to what the people are saying, they say it's like Wumi, no. I don't know, Sha. Say she's just trying to divert the whole thing. Say she don't really want to do the DNA test. But now, they've told her that she have to do it. Let me still move forward. In January, Wumi, through a lawyer, said that the singer's father has been avoiding carrying out the DNA test to prove her son's paternity. A lawyer slammed Mohbad's father for slandering Wumi's name in public by claiming she wasn't ready for the DNA. Demanding an apology, a lawyer noted how the clergyman has been defaming his grandson's Liam by portraying him as a bastard. So you see, the court had already ordered Wumi to make sure the DNA test is being conducted, because if Mohbad's father said this is what he wants, because he don't want, because we've been hearing a lot of news in Nigeria. You see some men, they would raise a child from birth, not even from birth, from the very first day the mother conceived. You know, the whole care and everything started that very day. After the child is being born, they will raise this child. At times, the child will grow up to like 25 or 30 years. At the end of the day, they will find out that this Pekin doesn't belong to this man. So it's exactly what Mohbad's father is trying to avoid. He said he don't know, but this is what he wants. And this case has been on ground for decades, for a very long time. I see no reason why Wumi don't want to do this thing. But I pray this time that court has already ordered and that the DNA test must be carried out. And they said they are going to do it in 2 hospitals. One in Nigeria, one outside Nigeria. So I just pray Wumi, because the court have already ordered her. So I don't think she will want to say no, that she's not going to do it. Yes, she will do it. And I just want them, after the whole DNA stuff, they should post it online, because with the online in-laws, we need to know. We need to know if really that Pikin na Mohbad own or not. In short, guys, let's know what you think about this video. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.